Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be going ahead and talking about few products that I got from My Glam. This is the Pop Exo collection, and then I have few lip products right here which is from My Glam again. I will also be going ahead and creating this eye look that you see. This is the eye look that I have gone ahead and created using this tiny little cute eyeshadow palette, and then I have a cute mini lip kit right here which has 3 lipsticks in here. So I will also be going ahead and swatching all of these lipsticks in this video. So if you are someone who is interested in watching this video, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. If you like this video, then please come and join this tiny little family right here on YouTube by just hitting that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to press the bell icon because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. Now without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is this thing right here. This is the Pop Exo Makeup Collection Hot Mess for Eyeshadow Kit eyeshadow palette, which is exclusively by My Glam, and this is in the variant called Hot Mess. I think they have different variants in this particular eyeshadow palette. This actually retails for $2.99, but I got it for $1.94 from Nykaa, and they had their sale going on. That is when I went ahead and I grabbed this particular eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging of this. This is so tiny. If you can see, it easily fits into my hand. You can easily slip this into your bag. They have a neutral palette as well, and I don't have any mini eyeshadow palette in which I have pop of colors, hence I went in with this particular eyeshadow palette. And definitely it's not a plastic packaging, I would say it's a cardboard packaging, but look at the shades that they have given over here. You have this neutral brown shade, then you have this pop of yellow, pink, orange, and that is what I have used to go ahead and create this look. And if you see, the yellow shade is not that pigmented. I mean, I went back and forth with this particular shade, but yes, the yellow is not pigmented. I'm going ahead and using this yellow shade as my transition shade. Yellow shade kind of felt a little chalky to me, but again, it is just under rupees. I mean, I got it under rupees 200, so I don't expect a lot. But yes, you do get, if you go ahead and go back and forth with this particular pigment, you will definitely go ahead and get that intensity or color payoff on your eyes. And then I went in with this orange shade, which is again, I had to work with this shade because it was not so pigmented. The color payoff was not that great, but still I managed to go ahead and get that orange color on my eyes, as you can see. And then I went in with this pink shade, which is a shade that actually works perfectly. I just used it on a flat tapered brush, and I went ahead and I first placed it, and then I realized that first placing this eyeshadows work well. So what I did, I again went in with a tapered or a flat shader brush, and I went in with this shade, which is the orange shade, placed it on my eyelid, and after that I went ahead and I blended the colors. If you can see in the video is kind of self-explanatory. So yes, so this is what the look that I came up with. I just went ahead and added some mascara, and on my lower lash line I again used the shade which is the orange shade on my lower lash line. If you are looking for a palette that is very travel friendly and can easily slip into your bag and you need that pop of colors, I think this is a great thing that you can keep in your bag. So the next product that I got from My Glam is the Pop Exo Makeup Collection, and this is a mini lip kit that I got, and this is in the variant called No Drama, and I think they have 2 other variants in this particular lip kit. This one is called No Drama, then there's another one which is called Power Trip, and then the other one is called Pretty Mess. I got mine for $227, but right now I can see the price of it. It's for $262 on Nykaa. You are getting this amazing quality lipsticks under rupees 250 which I think is absolutely amazing. Again, it retails for $3.49, but you can always get it on discount, and I absolutely adore the packaging. It comes in this glossy white packaging. Okay, so the first shade is called Hype, and this is again such a pretty shade. It has this brown tone to it, which I absolutely love. I don't know, maybe on the camera it looks a little pink, but it doesn't have any pink. It is actually a brown lipstick, and I think this will look good on deeper skin tone as well. This will work as a good nude lipstick, and I absolutely love the way this lipsticks feel on my lips. They don't feel chappy. This is a matte lipstick, but definitely not a transfer proof lipstick. This lipsticks have a very matte finish on your lips. So the next shade is called Comfort Zone, and this is again one of the shades that I have been using on and off, and I love the way this shades look like. And if I go ahead and compare Hype and Comfort Zone, they kind of look similar, but truly speaking, they both have a very different undertone. If you can make it out, then you will definitely know. This one is my favorite shade. Ever since I got my hands on this, and ever since I got this package, I have been constantly using this lipstick. This is in the shade called Bliss, and you can definitely see by the packaging it is kind of messy because I have used it a lot, and I always keep this lipstick in my bag, and I cannot do without this lipstick. This is something that I have been using a lot. It has that peachy undertone to it, if you can see, but again, it's a very neutral lipstick. That is all I have in this mini lip kit. I absolutely love, and the fact that you are just paying something around 200 to 250 for this lipstick is absolutely worth it. Again, the quality is good, and I think these lipsticks are cruelty free. Each lipstick has 2.5 grams of product, which I think is amazing for the price that you pay. That's it for this lip kit. Moving on to the next lipstick. This is the lipstick that I got from My Glam Lit, and this is their satin matte lipstick. I got this for my mother. We went to this car beauty center and that is when she went ahead and swatched this particular shade, and she kind of liked this shade. Hence I thought of going ahead and ordering this shade, because in the stores definitely you don't get offers, but on Nykaa app I did get offer on this particular lipstick. It retails for $4.95. I got it for $3.22, and this is in the shade called Friends, and this is what the lipstick looks like on my lips. It looks a little vampy and bold, and it has that very satin finish to it. This is the hand swatch of this particular lipstick. So the next lipstick that I got is this one right here. This is the My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon, and this one I got from the My Glam website recently, and I absolutely love the packaging of this. I mean, it looks so luxurious, but definitely I think it's a plastic packaging, not a metal, but the shine and the gold detailing that this lipstick has makes this lipstick looks luxurious and bougie. The lip crayon is again matte, and these are the shades that I actually reach out for. This is in the shade called Terra, and this is a matte lipstick, and I think it has a very slight amount of transfer. This lipstick won't feel drying on your lips, and also the lip kit that I shared with you, even those lipsticks won't feel drying on your lips. So this is the hand swatch of this particular lipstick. Absolutely adore the packaging of this lipstick. We are almost at the end of this video, and I just have two lipsticks that I'm gonna share with you, and the second last lipstick is this one right here. This is the My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipsticks. These are absolutely matte lipsticks in the liquid form, and this is in the shade called Swinger. Love the packaging of this. It comes in this very sleek tube kind of a thing, and then the doe foot applicator is like a regular doe foot applicator, nothing fancy here, but the shade looks gorgeous. It has a very matte finish to it, so definitely matte lipsticks are a little drying on your lips, and again, this is absolutely transfer proof. This doesn't transfer or budge. You can have this on your lips for more than 6 to 8 hours, and this lipstick won't go away. Overall, this is a very very pretty lipstick, and this is the hand swatch of this lipstick. And now moving on to the last lipstick, I have the lipstick again, which is from MyGlam. It is from their liquid matte lipstick collection, and this is in the shade called Perk Up. This one I got from the MyGlam's website, and I think this one I got for free, and I just had to pay for 98 something for both of this lipsticks, so that was a steal again. This is the shade called Perk Up, and again this is a very gorgeous shade. Again, it's a transfer proof lipstick. It's a liquid matte lipstick. This lipstick has a little bit of warm undertone to it. So these are all of the products that I wanted to share with you, so that you can go ahead and get your hands on it if you are looking for a good affordable lipsticks and an eyeshadow palette which is very tiny and very minimal, and you can easily carry it around in your bag. So I hope you like this video, and also don't worry, all of the information will be listed down below in the description box. I will try and mention the links of all the products in the description box below, so you can definitely check that out. And so if you are here and still watching this video, then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.